Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, we have an exciting review for you. We'll be diving into the world of flagship smartphones with the Oppo Find X6 Pro. This device offers top-of-the-line features and an impressive design. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about the design of the Oppo Find X6 Pro. This smartphone boasts a premium and luxurious feel with its glass back and an aluminum frame. The curved display seamlessly blends into the sleek metal frame, giving it a truly captivating look. The attention to detail is evident, and Oppo has truly crafted a stunning device. Moving on to the display, the Oppo Find X6 Pro boasts a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED curved display. The colors are vibrant, and the contrast is excellent, offering a visually stunning experience. The high resolution ensures sharp and detailed visuals, making it a delight for media consumption and gaming. Now, let's talk about the camera system on the Oppo Find X6 Pro. It features a triple camera setup co-engineered with Hasselblad, a renowned camera manufacturer. The main camera is a 50-megapixel sensor that delivers exceptional detail and color accuracy. The ultra-wide-angle lens captures a vast amount of scenery, and the periscope telephoto lens allows for impressive zoom capabilities. This combination ensures that you can capture stunning photos in a variety of scenarios. Low-light photography is also impressive, thanks to the large sensor and advanced image processing. Powering the Oppo Find X6 Pro is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, one of the most powerful chipsets available. It ensures smooth performance and handles demanding tasks and gaming with ease. The device also boasts 5G capabilities, future-proofing your connectivity. Additionally, Oppo's ColorOS provides a user-friendly interface and offers a host of software features and optimizations to enhance the user experience. The Oppo Find X6 Pro comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor for convenient and secure unlocking. It also supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly replenish the 4,500 mAh battery. The device is also equipped with stereo speakers, providing immersive audio for multimedia content and gaming. All in all, the Oppo Find X6 Pro is a true flagship smartphone that delivers exceptional performance, stunning design, and a top-notch camera system. It's a device that effortlessly blends power, beauty, and innovation. If you're looking for a smartphone that stands out from the crowd and offers a complete flagship experience, the Oppo Find X6 Pro is definitely worth considering. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.